that is types of software. So the topic to be covered in this chapter are what is software and types of software. That means system software and application software. Okay. So today we will listen about types of software. It is chapter 2 in the book. Okay. Computer software, system software, application software and utility software. It's are the types of computer software. So the first of all we should know how about what is software. Let's come here. Let's listen about what is software. A computer is made up of many parts. These parts are classified into two basic types. How many types? Two basic types. Hardware and software. So listen here, what is hardware? A parts of a computer that we can touch and feel are called as hardware. These hardware parts need instruction to work. And what is software? Software is the set of instruction and data which make the hardware components. So now we are going to listen about next thing, that is types of software. As we know that types of software, it is two types. How many types? Two types, system software and application software. In this picture what we see, many of these software we use and in daily life. So let's come next slide, that is system software. First of all we will listen this system software is the important for the smooth running of all components of the computer. They are the programs which control the overall operations. So as we see in this picture, Windows 7 software and AVG software. So these are the software which is controlling many pair operations and many programs in the computer. Next thing we comes here, system software. This is already we have listened. Now we are going to listen about classification of system software. They are thinking that we have listened software, system software. So what is the classification? There are three basic types of system software, that is operating system, language processor and utility. So first of all we are going to listen about operating system. Operating system, you have already read about the operating system in your earlier class. Operating system is the most important basic software which is required for the computer to work. It is required to run software like MS Word, Paint, etc. Next point come here, functions of operating system. So in this piece listen about operating system is like coordinator in the school who manages all activities in this school, like setting up the timetable, taking care of the students, parents and teachers, scheduling the exam, organizing other events, etc. Operating system manages all the resources of the computer like its memory, input, output devices and processor, etc. In this picture already we see here user interface, memory management, peripheral management, multitasking and security. Next point we come here, some of the main functions of operating system are memory management, processor management, device management, file management and security. You can easily understand by this diagram functions of operating system. Next point come here, language processor. The computer can understand programs written only in binary or machine language. which consists of 0 and 1s, but the software is created by using high level language like C, C++, Java and Basic, etc. So by this feature easily you can understand only machine language and binary language. Next topic, utility software. These are the programs which are helpful in the smooth operations of the computer. Some utilities are used to protect the computer from virus attack. Some help in the taking a backup of the data, etc. Some important utilities are antivirus software, backup utility, defragmenter and compression utility, etc. Let's listen about next point, application software. These are the software used for the specific purpose. Application software is specific to the tech it is designed for. They are divided into two categories, that is special purpose software and general purpose software. First topic in the application software. Listen about in the general purpose software. General purpose software are the developed to satisfy the requirement of many users. These are the usually in the form of packages. They are easily available and reasonably variable prices. And these are different software for different purposes such as, so it is important. So we are going to listen about next point. In this, first of all, we will listen about word processing software. These are used to create document like letters, biodata, reports, posters, etc. with formatted text and graphics. MS Word, Word Perfect Writer are examples of such software. So in this we see picture. These are very helpful for word processing. So let's listen about next point, spreadsheet pictures. These are used to manage and organize numeric data which involve a lot of calculations or for making graphs and charts. Lotus 1, 2, 3 and MS Excel are some examples. Let's listen about graphics software. These are the used to draw figures using the computer and digitally edit and modify photographs. Example are include like Paint, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Picasa, etc. Next point, very useful nowadays, desktop publishing software, also called as DTP software. These are used for creating design for brochure, newsletters, magazines, etc. PageMaker, MS Publisher, Page Plus are example of such software. In this picture you see PS, PM, AI, FM, ID, CorelDRAW and Adobe. So these are very helpful in DTP software or desktop publishing software. Next point, come here, communication software. These are used to access the internet and also to send and receive email. Example are Internet Explorer, Netscape, Communicator, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome. In this picture you are well know all these softwares. I know everyone of you know a software name which is visible in this picture. So let's come to the next topic, that is database management system. In database management system, in short we call it DBMS. These are used to create and manage a database that can store and retrieve information. It can store related data of a school to form a student database. employee database, etc. Example include MS Access, MySQL and Oracle. So in this picture easily you can understand database, DBMS, app, user. Next point, let's listen about multimedia presentation software. These software are used to create slideshows and presentation which can be viewed on screen using an overhead projector. Example include are MS, PowerPoint, Flash, etc. Nowadays these are very useful in designing field. Okay. Next point, let's listen about special purpose software. Special purpose software are special software made for a company, school or an organization as per their need or requirement. For example, accounting software, billing software, stock or inventory software, payroll software, school software and ticket software. So in this picture what we see, Google Chrome is there, Mozilla Firefox is there, Recycle Bin is there and this Internet Explorer is also there. So why this is, we understand if founding software with that records and key the financial accounts of the company. Next one, what we said, billing software. It is used to different places of preparing bills. Payroll is also used for preparing the salaries of employees. Stock and inventory software is also used for by company to keep track of stock, orders, sales. As extra school software to take the data of attendance, performance, data of the students. Let's recap whatever we have listened in this class. Software can classified system software, application software. Already we have learned and listened, and next point, what we have listened are the programs which control the overall operations of the computers, and those also classified operating system, languages, processor and utility software. Next one, we have listened about operating system and language, processor, utilities software and application software. So these are things we have listened in this class.